Hello! In this video, we're going to be looking at distributive property problems that are a little bit more advanced because they involve trinomials and variables. The first one I have is 3x times the quantity 2x plus 4y minus 6z. In the first method I'm showing you, I'm going to multiply the 3x times the 2x using algebra tiles, and then I'll multiply the 3x times the 4y using algebra tiles. 3x times 2x is shown here on the tiles. Across down the left-hand side, that's 3x, and then the top gives us the 2x. If you multiply x times x, that gives you x squared. If you multiply 3x times 2x, that gives you 6x squared. It creates this rectangle. The next part is 3x times 4y. I have 3x down the left-hand side and 4y's across the top. If you multiply x times y, you get xy. If you multiply 3x times 4y, it creates this rectangle right here. And that gives us 12xy. Algebra tiles are typically area models, which would be length times width, so x times y. So z is not going to be shown using algebra tiles. What I will do is take the 3x times the negative 6z, and that gives me negative 18xz. Now we're going to put these all together. When we multiplied the 3x times the 2x, we got 6x squared. When we multiplied the 3x times the 4y, we got 12xy. And when we multiplied the 3x times the negative 6z, we end up with negative 18xz. I'm going to write this as minus 18xz. Now let's look at the same problem using the array method. For the array method, I'm going to put the factor that's in front of the parentheses in front of the array. Then each term goes across the top. So the 2x goes above the first box, the 4y goes above the next box, and negative 6z goes above the third box. Then I'm just going to multiply them. So multiply the first two together, we get 6x squared. When we multiply the middle term and 3x, we get 12xy. And when we multiply the last term times 3x, we get negative 18xz. Inside the array is the answer. So we'll write that down here, 6x squared plus 12xy minus 18xz. We will get the same answer using the arrow method. For the arrow method, I'm going to multiply the 3x times the 2x to get 6x squared, the 3x times the 4y to get 12xy, and the 3x times the negative 6z to get negative 18xz. All three methods gave us the same answer. Now it's your turn. Please pause the video and give this one a try. Okay, I'm going to use the arrow method. 5x times 3x gives me 15x squared. 5x times 2y gives me 10xy. And 5x times negative 10z gives me negative 50xz. How'd you do? If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.